stored. The warm soap base moves into large blending tanks, where luxurious floral fragrances, signature Each Lux soap bar is automatically wrapped inside its beautifully printed retail package by advanced robotic packaging machines operating at incredible speed.
The wrapped soap bars travel to robotic packing stations where mechanical arms carefully arrange dozens of bars into branded cartons with exceptional.
Inside the factory's modern logistics center, robotic palletize large shipments prepare supermarkets, wholesalers, and